Number 3, write each equation in vertex and standard form using the transformations of the function y equal x squared. Okay, to do this, we're going to do y equal a parentheses x minus h squared plus k. This is a reflect x-axis. This stretches it. Talking about the parabola. The h goes left or right, and the k is up or down. Okay, so these are the 4 transformations you have. So we have a vertical stretch of 3. That's going to go into our a spot. So y equals 3 parentheses. A horizontal shift left 6. If I put negative 6 in here, I'll get a plus 6. Remember, your h term is the opposite. So left 6 would be a positive 6. You square this. If you forget to put the square, you'll mess up. And then shift up 2, I'm going to put a plus 2. Okay, so now I got to do the x plus 6 squared. That means we have x plus 6 and x plus 6. You'll get y equal 3. And x plus 6 times x plus 6. X times x is x squared. 6 times 6 is 36. And if you do the full, you'll get 6x and 6x. 6x plus 6x is 12x. And then plus 2. Now I got to distribute that 3. So I'm going to take this equation and distribute the 3 to the x squared, the 12, and the 36. And I'm going to write it up here. This right here is my vertex form. So that's my vertex form. Now I'm switching it to standard. I'm going to get y equals 3 times x squared is 3x squared. 3 times 12x is plus 36x. And 3 times 36 is 108. Plus 2, and I could group the 108 and 2, can I? So I'll get y equals 3x squared plus 36x plus 110. That is my standard form. And just FYI, that 110 would be your y-intercept, wouldn't it? Don't need to know it for the problem, but that's your C term. That's your y-intercept. Okay, now we're going to do the next one. So we're going to y equals reflection across the x-axis. That's going to make this negative. A vertical compression by a factor of 1/2. That's going to be my a. Do I move it left or right? I don't. So my h will be 0. X minus 0 is x. So I'll just have x squared. I won't have any parentheses because I'm not moving it left or right. It's going to stay on the y-axis. And I'm going to shift it down 4. My k is going to be 4. Remember, if there's not an x term, the vertex is on the y-axis. And this is your vertex form and standard. So we're done.